Okay, students, so we'll start exercise 9.1 based on your topic which I have discussed yesterday, right? Based on what I have discussed, same base and same parallel line. You have to figure out from the figure that whether the two figures are lying on the same base and same parallel line or not. So I have shown you many example also yesterday, right? Same base and same parallel line. Both the figure are there or not. You have to find out in your exercise 9.1. So let's do question number 1. So I have just downloaded from the net. Okay, as I don't have the textbook right now, I have downloaded ebook from your internet. So I don't know whether all the questions are there or not. Must be there, right? If I missed any question, you please let me know. Okay, so first question is from the exercise 9.1. Which of the following figure lie on the same base and between same parallel line? So they have given some figure and you have to find out which of this following figures lie on same base and same parallel line. So the first one you can see, number 1. Let me draw the diagram also. It is given A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. And there is a triangle like this. Okay, this is your P. Now you have to find out from this figure whether it is lying on the same base and same parallel line or not. So see here, they have given AB is parallel to CD, you can see, right? And both the figure, first find out the figure. Which are the figures? This is one figure, that is triangle, and this is another figure. You can say this one as trapezium. So trapezium, right? Because parallel, one pair of opposite sides, so if it is parallel, it is called trapezium in a quadrilateral. Okay, trapezium and trapezium A, B, C, D and triangle P, C, D, okay, are lying on the same base and same parallel line or not. So you can see for this triangle, which one is the base? CD is the base. And for this quadrilateral or trapezium, which one is the base? Again CD is the base. So CD is the common base for this triangle as well as for trapezium. So trapezium ABCD and triangle PCD are lying on the or lie on same base CD, okay, and do they lie on the same parallel line? And you can see this is your parallel line, and between this parallel line only triangle is there and the trapezium also. So this is the common parallel line for both the figure, right? So lie on the same base CD and same parallel line AB and CD. Okay, so in this case both the figure are from the same base, drawn from the same base and lie on the same parallel line. What about question number 2 now? Let's try to find out number 2. Let me show you the figure again. So this is the figure, right? Let me draw it. So this time they have given parallelogram like this. Another figure they have given trapezium, you can see. Okay, so they have given naming here PQRS, PQRS, and this is MN. Okay, now we have to find out in this case whether both the figure are from the same base and same parallel line or not. So you can see, first find out always the figure. Which one is the figure? This one is one figure, which is trapezium, I can say. This and this parallel, right? So this is quadrilateral, whose base is which one? SR. And for this quadrilateral PQRS, this and this parallel, right? Okay, for this quadrilateral also, this is the base. So PQ, I will write parallelogram. This is parallelogram, right? It looks like parallel here also, okay? Parallelogram PQRS and trapezium. This is your trapezium, right? Both figure I have mentioned first. MNRS RS. Okay, M and RS. Parallelogram PQRS and trapezium M and RS are lie on the same base. You can see SR is the base for this quadrilateral also, for this quadrilateral also. Both are same base, on same base. Lie on same base SR. Okay, now in exam they will not ask this kind of question. Okay, based on this your next exercise is very important. We have one theorem based on this topic. Okay, so that we can understand that theorem we are discussing, this one. So parallelogram, so you must be able to figure out whether the figures are lying on the same base and same parallel line or not. So this we are learning here. Okay, so same base it is lying, right, both the quadrilateral, but are they on the same parallel line? So for this PQRS you can see this is the parallel line, and you can consider this is also parallel line. But see here, for this quadrilateral, that is trapezium, this is the parallel line. So for both the figure, parallel lines are different. For this quadrilateral, this is the parallel line. For this quadrilateral, this is the parallel line. So they are not lying on the same parallel line, right? So what we will write? And the same base SR and does not lie on same parallel line. Okay, that's it. Number 2. Number 3 I will just show you now. Okay, this is the format of writing. So number 3 you can see here, in this case they have given parallelogram PQRS, right, and there is another figure. Which one? Triangle QTR, right? So in this two figure, are they lying on the same base? So you can see, okay, let me draw. Okay, so parallelogram is given and triangle. This time they have made the figure on that side, base they have made here, you can see. Okay, so two figure is which one? This one and this one, right? If you want, you can turn this figure like this also. If you have confusion, you can turn this figure like this. Okay, turn it on your right, or you can say clockwise you turn it, then you will not get confused anymore. Okay, so you can see in this both figure, triangle and quadrilateral, same base it is, lying on the same base. For this triangle also this is the base, for this quadrilateral also this is the base, and they are lying on the same parallel line. So like first one you write down this also. Okay, then number 4, triangle is given something like this. Okay, so if you turn this one, okay, if you turn this one, it will be something like this. Okay, so naming they have given A, this one D, this one R, this one B, C, this one P, this one C. Okay, sorry, not C, it will be Q, it will be Q. Okay, so this is what they have given. Now what are they lying on the same base and same parallel? Obviously no. So for this triangle you can see this is the base. For this quadrilateral this is the base, different base. Can you see? This is the base for the quadrilateral, and this only this portion is the base for this triangle. So for both the figure, base are different, but they are lying on the same parallel line. So you can see parallel line. So how you will write down this one? Parallelogram ABCD and triangle PQR. And triangle PQR does not lie on same base, but lie on same parallel line. Okay, but lie on same parallel line. This is how you can write down number 4. So let's do number 5. I hope it's very simple to figure out, right? Number 5. Okay, this is the figure which is given. You can check out from your textbook. Okay, P, C, this one Q, this one B, this one A, this one D. Okay, so you want to find out whether base of this, first thing you have to find out the figures, right? Which are the figures? You can see this is one quadrilateral, four-sided figure, and this is another quadrilateral. So if you have confusion, you can turn this figure like this also, you can see. Okay, so both the quadrilateral I lie on the same base, I can say AD. Okay, this quadrilateral and this quadrilateral lie on same base, you can see this is the base for this quadrilateral and this is the base for this quadrilateral also, right? Okay, and they are lying on the same parallel line also, you can see this and this parallel, right? So they are lying on the same parallel line also. So you can see base also same for this figure as well as for this figure also, and they are lying on the same parallel line. So you have to turn the figure all around and have to see these conditions whether it's satisfied or not from any angle. Okay, so you turn the figure like that, and if you have confusion you can turn your book also and can check like that. Okay, the way I have done just now. So the last question, that is number 6, right? Okay, number 6, how they are given, it's very simple to find out here. This is PQRS, PQRS, and this is your ABCD. So in this case also, which are the figure? This is one quadrilateral, this is one quadrilateral. So you can see the base is not same at all. For this quadrilateral, this is the base. For this quadrilateral, this is the base. You can turn anywhere around. Okay, you can turn it and check anywhere around. So base will not be same here, but they are lying on the same parallel line. Okay, so I hope you have understood all the questions from exercise 9.1. So based on this, we will discuss one theorem. After that, we will start exercise 9.2. Okay, and it's very simple exercise, this one, don't worry.